So you have this beautiful picture of your cat, but it looks super boring and regular. You just want to create something to be proud of. Now luckily I have the perfect effect that will transform your image from this to this. Let's open up Photoshop. Okay, first, open up the image you want to use. I'm gonna edit this beautiful cat. To start, we need to create multiple layers. To do that, go to the layer panel and select your cat image. Then press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to duplicate it. Do this 2 times, so you have 3 layers. Now we're gonna rename the layers to stay organized. Let's start with the bottom one. Double-click the text and type in background. The middle one is gonna be your cat or whatever animal you're using. The top one is gonna be called glowing butterfly or something. Next, we're gonna separate the cat from the background. Hide the top layer because otherwise we can't see the middle one. First, you need to make a selection for the cat so that we can mask it out. Make sure the cat layer is selected and go to the toolbar on the left. In here, grab the object selection tool. Draw a box around the cat in your image or click the cat to select it. Then click the mask button to remove the background of the cat. We're gonna do the same thing for the butterfly, which is the top layer. So make it visible again and grab the object selection tool. Then select it and just like we did before, create a mask to remove the background. Now we have a background picture, one of a cat without the background and one of the butterfly without the background. Now in order for the butterfly to glow, we need to darken the cat and the background. To do that, go to the adjustments panel and choose color lookup. Drag the layer in between the butterfly and the cat. The color lookup will now be applied to all the layers underneath and it won't impact the butterfly. Then in the properties panel, set the 3D LUT file to moonlight. This will give it this blue dark tint. Next, go to the adjustments panel and add a hue saturation layer. Go to the properties and decrease the saturation to remove the most intense colors. Don't overdo this because otherwise your image will be black and white. Next, we want to brighten up the face of the cat, and to do that, select the color lookup mask. Then in the toolbar, make sure the color is set to black and grab the brush tool. Right-click in your canvas and make it bigger. Then decrease the hardness to create a soft brush. Also lower the opacity to around 70% and click on the cat's face to brighten it up. That already looks beautiful, but now it's time to make our butterfly glow. First, we need to convert the butterfly layer into a smart object, so later on we can make changes whenever we like. To do that, right-click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Make sure it's selected and set the blending mode to Add or Linear Dodge. This will make the butterfly glow already. Then go to the filter menu on top and here you can choose Blur. For this, we're gonna use the Gaussian blur. Set it to around 5. This will make it look a little dreamy. Now duplicate the butterfly layer with the effects by pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Then double-click the Gaussian blur effect on the layer and increase it a lot. Then one last time, duplicate the butterfly again and double-click on Gaussian blur. Increase it even more and that looks amazing. Now it's time to polish our image. Hold down Ctrl and select all the layers associated with the butterfly. Then press Ctrl+G to put them into a folder. Next, go to the adjustments panel and find levels. Now we only want this effect to be applied on our butterfly group. To do that, we're gonna create a clipping mask by hovering your cursor in between the levels layer and the group. Hold down Alt until this arrow appears and then just click. There you go. Now in the properties panel, play around with the middle slider until you're satisfied. Alright, there's only one step left to finish our image. We're gonna paint a quick vignette. To do that, click the new layer button in the layer panel and make sure it sits on top of everything. Then grab the brush tool and decrease the opacity and the flow. Now draw a subtle vignette around your cat until you're happy. You can always play around with the opacity of the layer to blend it in perfectly. Now we created this beautiful picture. Another way to make your pictures unique is by creating a double exposure effect. So to continue the lesson, click the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching.